This video is on the 4 different dietary supplements that Young Living has, and it's a little more science-y than what I'm used to, so I'm going to be reading from my notes for this, and it may be a little bit longer than normal, so just kind of bear with me here. The first one I'm going to talk about is Enzymes 4. So it is specifically formulated to help aid in the digestion of fats, proteins, fiber, and carbohydrates, and it's really good for our modern processed diet. It's a combo of animal and plant-based enzymes in 2 different capsules. The yellow capsule is the plant enzyme complex, which is great for meats, eggs, cheese, high-protein foods, and it helps break down sugars and starches in fruits. The cream capsule is great for fats in dairy products, meats, and veggies. What's really great is that these are dual timed release capsules so that it can get into the lower intestine before it releases the enzymes. If it releases in your stomach acid would kind of destroy them, so that's really helpful to know. It also contains let's see. The yellow one contains protease, amylase, and phytase. And fun fact, words that end in ase are typically enzymes. So protease breaks down proteins, amylase is found in your mouth and it breaks down starches, and phytase breaks down starches as well. In the white capsule, it contains lipase, which breaks down fats, and essential oils like anise, ginger, rosemary, tarragon, fennel, and lemongrass. And here's a fun fact. A lot of people who are overweight often lack the enzyme called lipase. Both of the capsules in Enzymes 4 contain it. So if you're trying to lose weight and break down fats, this is a really good supplement to have in your arsenal. So that's really, really neat. Like I said before, it's specifically formulated to delay its release in the lower intestine, which is really beneficial because the enzymes will help your body properly digest and absorb the nutrients. The next one I'm going to talk about is Essentialzyme. So Essentialzyme supports the pancreas, and the pancreas is in charge of converting our food into fuel for our bodies. It's also in charge of digestion and blood sugar regulation. Essentialzyme is used to promote balanced digestion and is a dual-layered tablet that is a complex of animal and plant enzymes and has the strongest protein enzyme that exists. It also contains carrot root powder, and this is so our bodies recognize it as food and store it and utilize it accordingly. It also means that because our body recognizes it as food, that it won't become dependent on the enzymes from this supplement. It has minerals in it that work really, really well with essential oils. It also contains alfalfa sprout and leaf powder, cumin seed powder, thyme leaf powder, and the essential oils of anise, fennel, peppermint, tarragon, and clove. All really strong, really great essential oils to help support the digestive system. Whew, okay, 2 done. Let's talk about Detoxzyme. So this one is vegetarian friendly. It is fast acting. I would recommend to take this one closest to meals. It has the fewest essential oils in it and the fewest herbs. Let's see. This one maintains and supports a healthy intestinal environment and healthy digestion. I know I said that it contains the fewest essential oils, but it still has some. So this one has fennel, cumin, and anise. So really good to know. The last one I'm going to talk about is Allerzyme. This one is fully vegetarian. This one contains maltase, which breaks down special sugars, and lactose, which are the common sugars found in dairy. This one has the highest number of essential oils compared to other enzymes that Young Living has. This one is a delayed release, so I would recommend to take this one in between meals. There's one more that I want to add in. So these 4 that I just talked about are not recommended for children under 12, but Young Living has made the Kids Sense Mighty Zymes specifically for kids, kids and teens. It's a chewable, but it's also fine for adults too, so that's like totally fine. This one contains 9 different dietary and digestive enzymes. It also contains carrot root powder, which we all know is good, and it contains peppermint oil. It's a great addition to a multivitamin, but not a replacement. Let's see, this one is vegetarian, and it helps to support kids' natural ability to digest proteins, fats, and lipids, plus starches and sugars. So there we go. That was a lot of information all on stuff that I'm not very well versed in. So forgive me for reading from my notes on this one. I am going to post a little graphic in the comment section below that compares the 4 different digestive enzymes for adults. If you want to check that out, feel free to save it so you can have it to look at. But feel free to rewatch this video a couple times if you need to, take some notes. But I'm glad you stuck with me. Let's talk about Ningxia Red.